How to turn off creator account on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will show you how you can turn off creator account on Instagram, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to turn off creator account, you basically have to switch your account, and that's all about it. So if you have a creator business or professional account, to turn this off, let's say you still want a professional account but you can switch from creator to business if you still want to stay within that professional account framework. But if you want to switch to a personal account, you can absolutely do that as well. The only thing we're changing here is the niches, right? So in order to do that, all we have to do is go ahead and then open up the Instagram application. Then once we've done that, we're going to basically come to our profile icon. Now I have a professional account and this is a creator account. So under professional comes creator account and a business account. So basically this is a creator account. If I would like to switch it, I would need to tap on the three lines icon from the top right, go to settings and privacy. Here I would need to go to creator and tools, creator tools and controls. Now the layout is a little bit different because of the update than before, so you might be a little bit confused, but just go to creator tools and controls, and then here you'll find the option called switch account type. So just tap on it. Now you can switch from a creator to a business account if you want, which is a little bit similar but different in some kind of way. But you can switch to a completely personal account if you want to by just tapping the switch to personal account. But basically if you want to turn off creator account, this is the way to do it. You basically have to switch to business or personal account. Now just go ahead and confirm the changes, and that's all it takes to go ahead and then turn off creator account on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.